Welcome back, guys. This was the laptop I got from Accenture. Now I'm going to unpack it. Let us see what inside of this box exactly. So I'm so excited to open this box because it is a Dell laptop which is really very good for programming, as you know about it. So here we go. This was a new laptop I got from Accenture. I will tell you the step-by-step process, how to open this, how to log into this laptop exactly. So now let's try to see what else is there inside this box. So I could see some instruction pages, how to what is the configuration of this laptop. This is Latitude 3410. Okay, good one. Yeah, and I also got a battery here. So you could see this is also battery for that particular Dell laptop. Okay, good one. So now let's try to open this laptop. So if you are trying to open this laptop for the first time, you have to enter your employee ID here. So I have already entered my employee ID. So click enter, then it will open. It will take some time. Can you see the page here? It is for vaccination. Okay, let me just try to open this. So after you reach this page, you could see this, right? Press Ctrl Alt plus Delete to unlock. So to unlock this page, we have to press Ctrl Alt and Delete. Okay, so I'm going to press it now. Next step is this. You just click OK. If you are logging into the system for the first time, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi and then you can be able to log into the system. Okay, so let me connect to the Wi-Fi. I have connected. Then you can enter your password. What is your actual password? You have to enter it here. Okay, yep, I have entered my password. So remember, whenever you are logging into the system for the first time, you have to connect to the internet. Otherwise you cannot be able to log into this particular system. It is loading. It will take some time. Yeah, it was opened. So you could see some inbuilt apps. That's all. You can be able to work here. This is all about how to log into the system. And remember, when you are logging into the system, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. That is very important one. Okay, thank you very much.